Infinity RG, taking action to develop the students.
Hello dear student, good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you this morning?
This morning I'm fine. And you?
Me too. I'm feeling better by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I'm coming to getting introduced. First of all, what's your name?
My name is Rabbi.
Rabbi. And your name?
My name is Jagdil Sponsor.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Rahim.
Fine. Nice name. What's your name?
My name is Ravi.
Rabbi. Last one. What's your name?
My name is Rohan.
Rohan. Okay, dear students, today we are going to start our today's topic is completing sentence. Okay, first of all, we are going to know about to. Well, Mr. Rabbi, so in our previous class we learned about using to. What do you know about it?
Oh, thanks for asking. For complete in sentence to we call.
Okay, then let me make you understand. You need help. So, Mr. Sposhu, can you help your friend Rabbi?
Yeah, sure, sir. I think we have to follow a rule. Yes, a structure to complete a sentence. If you can find to in a sentence, so you may follow a structure. The structure is subject plus verb plus to plus adjective or adverb plus to plus present verb plus others.
Oh, fine. Now you have got it.
Yeah.
So, Rabbi, give me one example.
Example is the boy is too weak to work.
Well, thank you. So, Sposhu, now your friend is clear. Could you please inform me something about by+gerund?
Thanks for asking.
Yeah.
Actually, we have to follow a rule for by+gerund. So there is a structure. The structure is by plus gerund, then comma, then subject plus can plus present form of verb, then others.
Good. So, Mr. Rahim, can you give me example of by+gerund,
Yes.
please?
The example is by learning more, you can learn more.
Good. So, Mr. Sposhu, is it right?
I think it's not right.
Okay, then you can give me one example.
The example should be like that. By knowing more, we can learn more.
So, Rahim was right. Rahim said,
Rohit said, by learning more, we can learn more.
oh, so what? By learning more, you can learn more. By doing more, by achieving more. Sentences are appropriate.
Yes, sentences
Right.
are appropriate.
Thank you. Okay, no matter. Then you, Mr. Rahim.
Yes.
So you are right?
Thanks
Okay.
for it.
Take it easy, Mr. Rafi.
Yes.
Do you know something about completing sentence rule?
Yes, I know.
Please.
There are, I know, 5 rules. Number 1 is proverb.
Proverb.
Number 2 rules is to, and that is rule to maintain structure, and that is subject plus verb plus to plus adjective or adverb plus to plus present verb plus others. And number 3 is enough to, and the structure is subject plus verb plus adjective or adverb plus enough to plus verb present verb plus others. And number 4 rules is by+gerund, and that rule is by+gerund plus others, then comma, then subject plus can plus verb present verb plus others. And the number 5 rules is instead of. The structure is instead of plus verb plus ing plus others, then comma, then subject plus can plus present verb plus others.
More than we can say, we have also learned, completely forgotten, without plus ing, I mean gerund, right? So Ruhan, can you inform us something about without plus gerund?
Yes, I can.
Please.
There is a structure for without plus gerund. The structure is without plus gerund plus object others plus subject plus can plus not plus plus verb plus others.
I mean, you are scared? No. Take it easy. Actually, by plus gerund is positive sentence, affirmative, and without plus gerund means negative sentence. So, can you give me one example without plus gerund?
Yes, I can.
Please.
Without learning more, you cannot know more.
Good. Thank you so much. So, Mr. Sposho, you have to say something in place of, I mean, instead of. Give me one example for instead of.
Okay, thanks for asking, sir. The example is instead of local bus, you can use CNG.
So, actually, what is happening? After instead of, what is we are setting here?
CNG.
Noun.
Noun.
I mean only noun. After preposition, you have to set noun. If you don't find out any noun, then you can make noun. Present verb plus ing makes noun. I mean gerund. So dear student, thank you so much for joining today's class. We can discuss something more completing sentence part rules tomorrow. Okay? So please stay at home. Try to keep physical distance and don't go outside unnecessarily. Okay, have a good time. Good luck. Bye.
Bye.